Hi there, my name's Nina, and today you're going to be watching me and Jess cook a midnight snack. We kind of already started though. Food. Hi Jess.
Hi. So we just went on a rant where y'all couldn't even hear us because she forgot to click on pause.
Leave me alone, okay? I'm cooking you a midnight snack.
You too? You're also eating it?
Sure.
We're not, these aren't the only ones. We're also cooking these last two. But yeah. Oh. Yeah! I got so hungry in the middle. I got an apple.
Screw you, Jeff. Can you give me the other two?
Yeah.
Just set up the camera somewhere.
There we go. But they're so cold.
Oh no. Okay. I will mention, me and Jeff are watching Frozen in the background while we cook. Let it go! Let it go!
That's beautiful.
I know, it's so amazing. I'm slaving away at the oven for this loser. Gang. Gnarly. Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. Hottie. Like a bag of Takis. I'm legit. Gnarly. Uppy. They be trying to copy. I'm legit. He totally cares about me, guys. Totally. But, anyways. We're getting the goods cooked. I just inhaled so much smoke. I'm hot. Hey. He's sitting there eating an apple like he's freaking Ryuk because he couldn't wait the 20 minutes it takes for me to cook some sausage patties.
Yep. Exactly.
Then again, he offered to help, but I'm not very trustful in his abilities to cook.
I'm good at cooking! I swear!
He's the worst cook I've ever met. Literally. Last time he cooked for me, I literally got food poisoning for the rest of the week.
I'm not as bad as I was Jack, okay? At least I don't give you...
Leave Dad alone.
At least I don't give him human flesh.
It's the thought that counts, okay?
I didn't cook.
At least EJ had to care to try and make me food to eat. Get me another plate for you. Oh! Flipped it too early. Grease splattered.
They're really good.
Oh, already eating. I see.
I stole one.
Well, there's your two. And then we'll split the last one.
Yep.
Can I
What?
count?
That's 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We both counted wrong.
Okay, it's not my fault. He dropped out of school at 13 and I dropped out at 15.
Fair.
It's entirely your fault I stopped going to school, Jeff.
Okay, look. really obsessed with me, and what else was I supposed to do?
Not manipulate me into mutilating myself and ending my whole family.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
There you have it.
Screw you anyways.
As long as it was fun, it doesn't mean anything.
Go get one and eat it. Come on. I want to review.
I already reviewed it.
I don't care. Do it from the camera.
10 out of 10.
Yep. As it should be. Now I need to clean up before I eat.
Or else Slender Man's gonna kill us.
Literally, he came in and yelled at us earlier. Welcome to the sink of the Slender Mansion. If you don't get out of my way, I will hit you with this grease hot paint. Alright. This is about to be very loud and very scary. Oh. I'm pleasantly surprised. And yes, I know it's probably not a good idea to pour the grease down my sink. However, Slender Man pays the bills. I don't.
Uh-huh.
Why did Slender Man make us do this? All we did was try and kill each other. I don't want to be close to you.
Okay, look. We've gotten better. Okay, we got better. Now it's just up to me to try and make amends with Jane.
It's your fault she hates you. I mean, I don't like her either, but it's your fault. Now that I think of it, everything's your fault.
Okay, look. It's only with you and Jane.
And Lou?
Alright. I don't even know where he is. Like, what? Thought I killed him, but then I saw him on the news and just like, dude, what?
Screw you.
I did not just almost fall.
You should have fell. I hope you break your neck.
I mean, I've gotten shot before, so it's like not really that bad.
You're disgusting, vermin.
Also almost got murdered by Slender Man, but then also ended up almost killing him as well.
I don't like him. I don't like being near this guy. All he does is talk about himself. Do you even remember my name?
Nina.
He barely remembers my name. He's the reason I look like this. But then again, wasn't I beautiful?
Was it fun?
Yes.
There's my point.
Jeff secretly has a soft spot.
Why?
He secretly has a.
Oh, it's just so cute. I can't.
Look. And that's the end of making a midnight snack with Jeff and Nina.
More to come.